Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and we have a winter blast that is heading our way. And frequently, when we do, we'll get the phone call wondering, well, what should I do with my sprinkler system? Is my sprinkler system going to be damaged? And the first thing we need to make sure of when we have these cold winter blasts where we're down into the teens or maybe down on into single digits, first thing we want to make sure of is that your landscape has been well watered and that the lawn has been well watered. You want to do that a couple of days before. But regarding the sprinkler system, up north, it's frequent, it's normal up there for them to do winter blowouts or winterizing the sprinkler system where they actually blow the water out and then shut the sprinklers down for the winter time. We don't do that here. So long as the sprinkler system has been installed correctly, and most of them have been so far as that main line of your system is supposed to have been installed 12 inches deep. For the most part, the sprinklers have been installed that way. We very, very rarely see damage to sprinkler systems caused by freezing. The biggest risk is simply that they may run when we have the cold weather, and that should be taken care of. If you have a rain-free sensor on your system, it should shut your system down anytime it reaches a temperature of somewhere around 36, 37 degrees. That said, if you want to be safe, my suggestion would be to go ahead and turn your sprinklers off, because you certainly don't want to be that home that the sprinklers ran and turned your front sidewalk into a sheet of ice. And you especially don't want somebody falling on you certainly don't want somebody falling on your sidewalk. So that would be my suggestion, is go ahead and turn the sprinklers off. But short of that, we just really don't have weather that gets cold enough for us to really see pipes bursting on the sprinkler system because of the cold weather. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, growing relationships, and growing trust.